in Charleston has The National Weather Service in Charleston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Liberty County in southeast Georgia, Long County in southeast Georgia, McIntosh County in southeast Georgia until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:49 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm near McIntosh, moving south at 15 miles an hour. Prepare now for the following hazards: damaging winds in excess of 60 miles an hour, hail up to quarter size, final clouds, torrential rain which may produce localized flooding. Some locations in the warning include McIntosh, Flemington, Donald, Ellenhurst, Waltherville, Crossroads, Riceboro, Half Moon Landing. Doppler radar has indicated weak rotation within the storm. If the rotation strengthens, a tornado warning may be issued. The National Weather Service in Charleston has issued